Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to another demo. So in this video I'm going to demo this really cool model by Jeremy Shafer. Check it out. This is an origami pumpkin and it jumps. And yeah, I know it's not Halloween, it's already November, but since I already made these, I just want to do a demo of them. So yeah, so this is a pumpkin and it jumps. So you just put it on a desk like this and you just let go like that and it jumps. How cool is that? And yeah, it's got a nice jack-o'-lantern face to it. Oh, let's try that again. There it goes. Yep, and here's a variation he did. This is an origami cat, and he made this for his members only. See, and it works the same way. Put it on a flat surface, and it jumps like that. And it can also talk. See? Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, how cool is that? Yep, and here's his tutorial to learn how to fold it. And you have to be a member to fold this model on his channel. So yeah, alright. Well, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.